Hey guys, Rob from Cannoli. In this video, I'm going to show you how Cannoli makes image slice emails really quick to develop via Figma. Sliced emails are emails with images stacked on top of each other instead of live text. So let's open Figma and we'll create our body artboard. You can name it whatever you want. Add auto layout using Shift plus A. And then inside, we'll add another auto layout named MJ section. And inside this one, we'll add another one named MJ column. As with any Cannoli related artboard, these MJ section and MJ columns are crucial for the app to be able to correctly set up your email code. Once that's ready, we can drag our images into MJ column, adjust any details like padding or spacing, and I think this looks pretty much like the email I had in mind. We'll copy our Figma file link, create a new file in Cannoli, name it, link our Figma file, and select the correct page and frame. And now, we just need to add preview text and add links to our slices. One thing I like about MJML and Cannoli is how easy it makes adding links to image slice type emails. I know a lot of you will want to design these images, not just import them into Figma and arrange them. We can actually create any design within Figma, group it, and name it MJ image, and Cannoli will flatten it for us, creating a 2x raster file when you port into Cannoli. This should save any company using image slice method time, as we do the slicing to code all in one step. Here, you can see the same slices, but these have all of the editable elements within them. What I love about this approach is it gives a lot of creative freedom we sometimes have to tone down when dealing with email due to technical limitations. But with slices, anything goes, since they are images in the output. As you can see on my screen, the output is exactly the same as the previous one. Each MJ image group was flattened and acts as a single slice in our MJML code. And again, we just need to add preview text and add links to our slices. So whether you decide to import images or design them within Figma and name your group's MJ image, we think Cannoli will speed up your email workflow. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to contact us in the email below. See you in the next video.